The upside, for me, of living like this is that one sees life perhaps more clearly. All the business bunnies rushing about in their motor cars and stuff perhaps are rather shielded from the realities of 2/3 of the world's population are living in a far deeper level of poverty than any of us here are living. Just fresh, clean running water, for instance, is readily available to us in the West, by and large, medical care and so on and so forth, which clearly is not available to an awful lot of the world's population. So that's definitely part of my motivation. Things turn up along the way, which completely, if one has sufficient funding to live a sort of normal middle-class life, then there are all sorts of things that wouldn't happen, which can be definitely seen as positive. I mean, the downside is you could get killed, and people are. So you've got to avoid that.